Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage your contacts inside System.io. Your contact list is the heart of your online business, and System.io makes it simple to organize, segment, and grow it. Let's get started. Once someone opts in through any of your forms, their details will automatically appear under the contact section in the CRM tab. You can also add contacts manually by clicking Create Contact and entering their information. This is useful if you're moving contacts from offline signups, events, or even previous tools. One of the first things you should set up is tags, also under the CRM tab. System.io does not use multiple lists. Instead, it uses tag-based segmentation, which is way easier to manage. Let's create a tag together. Click Create Tag. Enter a tag name, for example, blog leads. Click Save. That's it. You've created your first tag. In a later video, I'll show you how to use these tags to send targeted newsletters and campaigns. Now let's jump back into the contact section. On the left side, you'll see several filters. You can filter contacts by tags, email status, subscription status, date added, and more. For example, let's filter contacts by the tag in funnel. Click Tag, leave the drop-down as tagged with, choose the in funnel mastery. System will instantly show only the contacts with that tag. You can select individual contacts by using the checkbox next to each one, or select every contact with one click using the checkbox on the top. Then click More Actions at the bottom right to bulk manage them. You can add tags, remove tags, subscribe contacts to a campaign, unsubscribe them, delete them, export them, and more. For example, you could bulk add the blog leads tag to thousands of contacts instantly. Bulk actions are a massive time saver, especially as your audience grows. Let's create a contact manually. Come up to Create Contact, enter the email address, add any details or custom fields, choose the tags that you want to add, and then click Save. And immediately the contact is saved. Your new contact is now added to your system. Now let's look at importing contacts from another platform. You can easily import your contacts as long as they gave you permission to email them. No purchase list, no random email dumps. System.io enforces clean email practices. Now let's click Import Contact on the top right. You can upload CSV files. Make sure the delineator matches your file. Comma as default. Choose tags to apply to the imported contacts. You can optionally add them to an email campaign and then confirm upload. You will also be able to view all your previous imports in the same section. System.io makes contact management simple and practical. You can grow your email list using forms and funnels, manually add contacts or import them from another platform, all inside the CRM. In the next video, I'll show you how to create your first sales funnel and start building your email list automatically. See you in the next tutorial.